In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Smartfill in Google Sheets. Smartfill is a really helpful feature when you want Google Sheets to recognize a pattern in your data and automatically complete the rest for you. This can save a lot of time, especially if you are working with lists of names, email addresses, or other repeated formats. Instead of manually editing every row one by one, you can give Sheets a couple of examples and let it do the heavy lifting. To get started, prepare your data first. Make sure you already have a source column filled with information. For example, this could be a list of full names in one column, or a list of email addresses. The key is that there needs to be something for Smartfill to analyze so it can understand what kind of result you want. Next, go to an empty column right beside your source data and start typing the result you want for the first row. For example, if your source column contains full names and you only want the first name, manually type just the first name for that first entry. This first example gives Google Sheets an initial clue about the pattern you are creating. After that, move down to the next row and begin typing the matching result for that row as well. In many cases, Google Sheets needs between 1 and 3 examples before it can confidently detect the pattern. So if it doesn't respond immediately, don't worry. Just continue giving it another example until it understands what you are doing. Once Sheets recognizes the pattern, you'll see a preview appear. This usually shows up as light gray ghost text extending down the column, along with a small suggestion bubble. This preview is important because it lets you quickly check whether Google Sheets is interpreting your pattern correctly. Before you apply it, take a moment to review it so you can avoid filling the column with the wrong results. If the preview looks correct, accept the suggestion. You can do this by clicking the checkmark icon in the suggestion box. If you prefer using keyboard shortcuts, you can also accept it with Ctrl+Shift+Y on Windows or Chromebook, or Command+Shift+Y on Mac. That's all there is to it. Smartfill is simple, fast, and incredibly useful for cleaning up or transforming data in Google Sheets without repetitive manual work. The more consistently your source data is formatted, the better Smartfill tends to perform. Thanks for watching.